What is up, everybody? I'm going to make a quick video and just talk about my 2017 Haro Lineage Master. This is the bike that I pretty much bought because my other bikes, I didn't really want to mess them up. I got a Lineage Sport and also my GT Pro Freestyle Tour, and so this bike I bought with the intention of riding it, which is basically my everyday rider. Most of everything on it is stock. I've got the HP Pan Racer tires, which give it that throwback look. I did change out the brakes to black brakes, but they're the same style that would have normally come on the bike. I have Hamilton pedals, which I bought. They're a little different. Let's see. So basically, another thing I got was an S&M. This is a pivotal seat post, and I got a seat. This is an ergonomical, let me see if I can brighten this up. It's like a foam seat, and it's shaped really contoured. This is the most comfortable seat I've ever had. So if anyone's looking to get a good seat, Tree Bicycle Company, definitely check them out. Same with the bars, our Tree Bicycle Company. They're 12 degrees back sweep, 4 degrees up sweep. I think these are 9.5. I wanted to try something higher. Locking Tech 7.7 levers, OD grips. Just a couple random stickers, cheap goods. Got a Martin Aparijo's sticker there. Flatland Fuel, who hooked me up a lot. Patrick at Flatland Fuel is a super cool dude. But yeah, this is my everyday rider. Hope everybody's doing awesome. Peace.